How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 59 Apache 3100. Super cool little truck. Done a very nice turquoise with a beige and turquoise custom pinstripe. I got this truck out of Tennessee. Super nice little truck, clean. Nice chrome bumper and everything on it. It's got a Camaro front subframe, Camaro rear. It's got 350 in it, 350 trans. Nice set of torque thrust wheels. Got a very nice custom bed. It's aluminum extruded bed with the Jack Daniels logo. It's all etched into it. Weather don't affect it. They did the smooth tailgate and roll pan. The rear looks really nice. Really like the pinstripe on it. Just tastefully done. It's got the LED tail lights. Mounted the antenna there in the back of the cab, slick out of the way. Again, it's a nice little 350 aluminum intake, Edelbrock carb. It's got your power steering, power disc brakes. It's got vintage AC and heat. It's the power disc, power steering. It's got all tinted glass. It's got a nice custom black interior in it. It's got all your VDO gauges. It's got tilt wheel. Got a nice stereo system. It's mounted up there in the top with a remote. Very nice set of bucket seats. Custom center console. Both buckets are power. Fuel tank's been moved to the rear. It's got a nice 20-gallon stainless fuel tank, all mounted under the back. Tell you, the interior is all very nice, tastefully done. Got all your AC controls and stuff nicely mounted there. Got your seat belts. I really like the way they did the armrests and stuff. Fires right up. It's a little cold out today, see the fair weather. I think it's about 28 degrees right now. A nice Flowmaster exhaust comes all the way out the back. So the LED taillights really make it nice, you know, a lot brighter than the traditional taillight. Got a nice little cam in the motor. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich. Have a great day, folks.